Hi, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm gonna do an unboxing of the shoe that I bought from Foot Locker online. This is the Frozen Yellow Yeezy V2 350. Let's open it. Alright, so here's the shoe.
Too much, okay? Don't eat too much.
This is your 350 shoe box.
Oh, this is wild though.
Yeezy Boost 350. Size 8.5. Let's open it. Oh, this is different.
That is different. This is in the garbage. The garbage is over there.
So, this is the shoe. Wow. I did not realize the color is like this. It's like yellow, green, something. But as you know, all V2 350s, these are my favorite Yeezy ones. They're very comfortable and they're very easy to put on. You just have to tie this one, and then I just slip on my in there, and then you're good to go. So this Yeezy one, like I said, the color is they call it frozen, but when I look at it, when I first saw it, looks like it's yellow green type, like a light yellow green type. So you see the splay, 350 over there, and then you see the imprint, the stripe, like the zebra imprint over there on the shoe, and then the pull tab with the gum outsole. They got the gum outsole, and then the Boost, which I think is the most comfortable technology that invented for the shoes, is the Boost. And then your insole says Adidas Yeezy. When this first shoe came out, it was a very limited number, so I was not able to buy. I tried joining some raffles, but I was unfortunate and I was not able to get it. But when they said they were doing a re-release of the shoe, restock of the shoe, I was really pumped up, and I was like, I really wanted that shoe because of the limited numbers before. I was very curious about it. So I don't know. I actually don't know how you're gonna wear this shoe. You have to be creative, or you just wear it. It doesn't matter what kind of pants or what kind of shirt you're wearing. If you like the shoe, just wear it. Like I said, V2 350 Yeezy are my favorite shoe. They're very comfortable. When I travel, this is the shoe that I wear most of the time. The other V2s that I have, that's what I used. So there you go, the Yeezy V2 350. So give me a like or subscribe if you like this channel, and then leave a comment. What do you think about this shoe? You think you're gonna be able to pull this out, or this is not the shoe for you, or just whatever you think about. Thank you, and then till my next video.